What's up, YouTube? This your boy Richie Zani ugly ass back there eating. How y'all doing? Right now, today is the big ass car meet. Now I noticed a lot of you guys do not really care for the car meets. But the car meet is just fun, and I'm just gonna record, anyways. But I'm co-hosting one of the biggest car meets this year, and it's about to be freaking epic. It's about to be so many car clubs all in one spot. It's about to be huge. Huge. But I gotta go clean the car. The car's dirty as shit. Let's go outside and see how this goes. Now this is the mom's new car. She definitely got her Mustang. After I got rid of mine, she's like, I want to go get a Mustang. But this is her Mustang. This is my mom's. Just an EcoBoost. My mom, of course, my mom ain't into all that high power performance shit. But she got the EcoBoost. White Mustang 2016. It's a very nice one, convertible. I love convertibles. We're not about to get into that one, but yeah, the car is filthy. Gotta clean it. I'm like, oh, that's not dirty. Shit. I can't see it. Look at the back. Dirty. Yeah, that's not picking up. Dirty. Dirty. It's time to clean the car, and we are done. So right now, I just rinsed it real good. I'm gonna redo some of my letters. I gotta clean the letters because some of the letters is kind of peeling. So I gotta, after I dry the car off, like the letter is starting to peel a little bit. So gotta fix that. Then clean the letterings, and then yeah, the back ain't dirty no more. Alright, so I gotta fix that. Alright, it's kind of hard to record, but I'm going to clean it and show you guys the after result. I just discovered the easy way to clean the tire litter. So look, if you look at the tire litter, it's super pure white. I'm gonna show you the other side. Let's see. This side is dirty as shit. You can't really tell, but it's hella dirty. And what I did was I found a way to do it. So basically, I have this particular towel that I don't know what's the name of this towel. I bought it a long time ago, but the material is real super soft, but it actually wipes off. You can look right here, you can see the dirt. So hypothetically, let's see. You see this one is really dirty, right? Watch when I wipe this top part right there. I gotta refix it, but watch this. You don't want to wipe too hard because you don't want to take off the letters. And like, let's see, I'm trying to show you a better example. Let's see. So, let's see. So what I did was I just got the water and I just wiped. As long as it's wet, you can wipe off better. The towel gotta be wet. And you can see like it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but I gotta wipe a little easier. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna retouch up all the tire letterings, but actually clean them right now. That's what I'm doing right now, just wiping them down. And when I wipe it, basically the material, the letter, it makes it easy for dirt to wipe off easily with just a wet towel. And yeah, so let me get back to you guys once I'm finally finished washing the car. It's in the shade. Thank God the sun is right above my house, like to the back, whatever. So it's in the shade, but it's looking real fucking clean. The tire letterings, I re-cleaned those. Those are freshly wiped. I even redid some of the letterings because they was kind of peeling. So man, put a little glue to it to make it stay. But it's looking good. I like it. I'm thinking about taking that goddamn stickers off today. I made it crooked on purpose, but I'm thinking about taking that off. And what else? So today I'll be getting my other sticker. This is the city one, but I'm gonna get another sticker and probably put it on this side right here. Dust Motorsports. I might put it right there. So be stay tuned for that later on. And the D badge makes the car look so much better. I like that. There's no chrome on it. It's just black. I don't care for the dots. It just looks way better than something just being there. And plus it camouflages with the black. So it looks good. I just got to clean the windows. And yeah. Yeah, the lettering is just super white. So it's looking good. Yep. I like this too. It's hella true.
So that's how I be looking at it though.
I feel it. Oh yeah. Tesla's car right here. Oh shit, my shit about to die. Woo. Oh yeah. Nice bath time. Oh yeah. It's 17. But it's like basic. It's like I think it's the EX or some shit, or the LX.
No turbo.
Yeah. Then they don't have the muffler. It was
Tongue got
the dual exhaust.
the dual butt pipes.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah. So we just washed. I washed my car earlier. He just washed his car. This shit's so nice. Man, the black is clean. Oh yeah. And you gonna tint the windows too? Oh yeah, it's gonna be bad. Oh yeah.
I got some more tricks this summer though.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that shit looking nice.
This is just in the meantime, in between time, we doing these.
Oh then,
we got some
hey, the next car, my next car gonna be my dream car. Once YouTube start helping me, you guys gotta help me.
My next car is finna be, you gonna hear it. I'm not even gonna call you. I'm gonna just pull up outside. You gonna be like, oh shit, he here.
Hell
I ain't
yeah.
gonna say no names, but it's coming. And it's gonna be, it's called F8 Green.
Oh yeah. This is sick.
This shit ain't too bad though, bro.
This is wife, I think.
He got them baby, he got them babies. See, I didn't clean the asket enough, but it's okay. It was a light wash today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Here he come with his. He looking at that booty pipe. He ain't got him.
Nah.
Is that the touring though?
That's nothing. That's
Ooh,
just that's the best. I feel like if you get a Honda, you might as well get the best because it's cheap.
Yeah, man, get you a sport. If you can't, because tourings are hard as fuck. They only had like one touring, and it was like
Yeah, that's the only thing. See, like, if you get the coupe tourings, those are hell of them. Yeah. It's hella. But the hatchbacks, they don't make that many of them. Nah. I just didn't like that fucking silver.
I
hate that shit. That color is ugly, but the inside was dope.
You know, for the money, I think this is. I think. How much did I pay for this?
Super sick.
Popping tags. That's when they said it was sold.
So basically.
23.
Oh yeah. So yep. And that's just the car price. That's not what the dealer asks.
Dealer total vehicle price and cruise 23. Well, after tax and license and shit, it goes.
Right. Yeah.
So I probably spent like 26.
Yeah, that's solid.
After tax and license.
I just feel like if you're gonna get that's just my preference. If you get a Honda, you might as well just get the best because they are cheap cars. I mean, they're not cheap. I mean, they cheap, but you
get in 30 miles to the gallon in the city and 36 in the highway.
True.
And then the shit comes from Japan, like.
Yep, and they sent this model to United Kingdom. They built it.
We got 20% go to United Kingdom. Of the parts, 20% came from United Kingdom. 25% came from Japan, it says, and 15% of parts came from the United States and Canada.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then this was finally built in England.
Yep, because they're trying to compete with the European body styles.
And then the engine was built in Thailand, and heat transmission was built in Japan.
Yep.